So the problem in the U.S. today is 52% of all of our produce is wasted. That's $65 billion alone. That means for every 2 avocados grown in the tree, only 1 makes it to a mouth. And it's not just about the money. It's 40% of our fresh water, and all that wasted food ends up in our landfills. The largest loss is fruits and vegetables, as you can see. So why is that? Today, we're not just feeding our neighbors near to the farm. We're feeding the entire world. And you can see some of these routes and how far it has to go, thousands of miles and over months. And not only that, the supply chain is very complicated, and this is just a simple model. It's not just planes, trains, and automobiles anymore. It's planes, trains, automobiles, cargo ships, packed mules, whatever. So there are some efforts out there to try and help minimize the risk. There's sensor data that we put out there. We've got sensors in the ground. We've got some sensors around the farm, and we try to do as much as we can through the supply chain. The problem is they're single metric sensors. They're not specific. They're single. They're not real-time data. You need a specialized reader to be able to interface with them, and you have to get access back to those sensors in order to get the data. Not only that, you only get data back. Not only that, you only get the data back, and you need a whole team of scientists to interpret the data and let you know what to do with that data. So, introducing the solution. Welcome to VeggieBot. VeggieBot is real-time data through the eyes of the produce. So not just getting data down around the ground, up on the hills and stuff. We're getting real-time data inside the trees where the produce is. So our use case is an avocado. So the VeggieBot's very simple. Hang it up in the tree at the very beginning of the growth cycle. The VeggieBot doesn't need any network, doesn't need any engineer, doesn't need any installation. Just hang it, forget it. It communicates through a global cellular chip, and so it can send real-time data through the network throughout the cycle, no matter where they are in the world. So it's simple. The VeggieBot will get picked with all his little avocado buddies, take its journey through the packing house, make sure it stays at the proper temperatures, make sure he's not getting mistreated and abused, all through the packing house, into the grocer, ensuring that all along the way that he arrives safely, and sending alerts if actions need to be taken. So you can see throughout the chain, VeggieBot is sending us temperature, moisture, light, ethylene, which helps us do predictability on ripening, accelerometer, make sure he's not getting kicked around or anything like that, all sending up to the cloud network, which feeds back into our platform, the VeggieBot platform. So the VeggieBot platform pulls in all your data, can pull in all your existing sensors as well, and integrate with local weather and things of the like. And here is our real-time VeggieBot sending data to the network over the cloud, as you can see. So we've got the basic sensors up there. Yeah, plus location and GPS. Next one. So what's our market size? So we're not just a one-trick pony. We also have VeggieBot Lemon right there. All the high-yield produce. And not only that, we don't have just 1 or 2 customers. All the customers, anywhere in the supply chain, the VeggieBot makes sense. When the customers that we spoke to, anywhere along the supply chain, they'd like to see the VeggieBots dropped in. So we don't have to just start with the farmers. We can start at the packing house, anywhere along that line. So our pricing model is very simple, subscription-based model. So they pay in per month. There's no worry about cost of hardware or anything like that. So Kevin Ball, who owns right here, which we are very thankful to go out and actually collect some data through his avocado fields you can see up on the hill, already was interested in having the product come Monday and was hoping he could keep that one. We also spoke to Sam Mayhew from Oxnard Lemon Company, Richard Jones from Mission, who are all interested in not just getting it, seeing the data from where it comes from the farm, all the way into putting it into their process, trying to improve their processes internally, and then also seeing and ensuring it, making sure that their